Everyone, we are at the Days Inn Wyndham Hotel near the airport. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of our room. We're on the 5th floor. It's newly renovated and there's pretty good reviews on Expedia. So we chose this spot for a quick weekend trip. So when you enter the doors, you'll see you have a place to put your jackets and stuff. There's a ironing board here, extra blanket, safety box, some hangers, and what is this even for? It's for your luggage maybe? Yeah. Smells like fresh paint in here. So, oh, there's also an iron here and it can be used as a steamer as well. Okay, now join me in the washroom. It's a bit of an older hotel, but it's still really clean and nice. So we can't all fit in there. So you got your washroom there. There's a hair dryer, which is important. You got Dove soap. Everything looks clean, which is nice. Washroom, washroom. You got your bathtub here and Dove shampoo and Dove conditioner. It's pretty clean though. Can't complain. Flush test. Okay, follow me in here. So you got a nice full-size mirror so you can check your outfit in the morning. Got a chair there, and we got the room with 2 queen beds. Pretty good, pretty good. Ooh, there's also a microwave, which is really nice. Very important if you're warming up leftovers at the end of the night. Let's check what's in here. Just make sure it's clear. Okay, nothing in there. We have a fridge here, and it has a freezer here. Let's turn that on. So we're gonna put our water bottles and stuff in there. TV and ooh, some fabulous brochures. From downstairs? Yeah. Okay, it's from downstairs. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got an ice bucket, coffee maker with coffee mate. Just some regular things that you'll need. Some tea. Got a nice light, charger, comfy chair. You don't really have much of a view, but we're beside another hotel, which is Hampton Inn by Hilton. Hampton Inn is by the main road over there.
Subway.
But as you can see, just across the street, there is a Burger King, KFC, and what else? Oh, a Starbucks.
Starbucks, Subway.
And a Subway, yeah. And the airport's only like, how many minutes again? It's probably 10-15 minutes. So yeah, let's see what else is over here. We have another light. Let's see if it works. Perfect. We have, can we turn that on? Yeah, we have an AC or a heater.
Is it on? It's off.
It's off for now, but we'll just.
No, high cool for now.
High cool? And where do you want this?
That's cool. Yeah.
Okay.
For now.
Okay, that's perfect. Controlled temperature in there. And we got our phone here, alarm clock, 2 plugs, and I think that's everything we need to know.
Fire alarm here.
Yeah.
And there's a smoke detector there. I think that's the Wi-Fi. Yeah.
Okay.
What's this? Oh, download the app right there. So there you go.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our quick room tour video of Days Inn. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Let us know if you guys been here too. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Share us your experience.
Bye.